Hi, I'm Katie Gibbs, the Ontario Liberal candidate in Ottawa Centre. We have seen our healthcare system decline dramatically under Doug Ford and his Conservative government. Healthcare worker shortages, profiteering off long-term care, and declining healthcare infrastructure are all symptoms of the Conservative government's neglect of our healthcare system and especially our senior citizens. As a Liberal, I'm committed to seeing real, meaningful progress made to better support our healthcare system and senior citizens in particular. We are going to clear the surgery waitlist with a $1 billion investment in public healthcare, empowering hospitals to operate significantly above pre-pandemic volumes, including into the evenings and weekends. We're also going to establish maximum wait times for surgeries and return to pre-pandemic wait times by the end of 2022. Everyone across Ontario should have access to a family doctor or nurse practitioner who can help guide and support them through health challenges. We're going to make this happen by hiring 100,000 new family doctors and nurses across the province. We're also going to make the option for virtual visits permanent and universal when appropriate and fund more team-based care like community health centers and nurse practitioner-led clinics. Everyone, regardless of age, deserves access to primary care in their community. And that's exactly what the Liberal plan is going to deliver for residents right here in Ottawa Centre and across the province. During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, I was horrified and disgusted at the living conditions in many of Ontario's for-profit long-term care homes. We know that people were forced to stay in unsafe conditions without the care that they needed, all in terms of profit. And the current Conservative government rewarded many of the owners of long-term care who oversaw the abuse that happened during that time. The Ontario Liberal government is committed to ending for-profit long-term care across the province by 2028. Instead, we'll shift the focus to at-home care and nonprofit and municipally run long-term care centers. We understand that seniors want to live as long as possible in their own homes, close to friends, neighbors, and family. We are going to give them the opportunity to stay in their homes as long as possible by guaranteeing that any senior who needs healthcare at home is going to get it. We're going to do this with a $2 billion investment into home care and giving raises to PSWs up to $25 an hour so that we can get more of them into the system. We know that part of staying in your home as long as possible means sometimes making updates to your home. And so we're going to expand and make permanent the Seniors Home Safety Tax Credit to make living at home safer and more accessible. And for people who are taking care of loved ones, we're going to make the Ontario Caregiver Tax Credit refundable, tax-free, and paid out throughout the year. Like a lot of Ontarians, the higher cost of living is making it harder for seniors on a fixed income to make ends meet. So we're going to help by increasing the old age security top-up for eligible seniors by $1,000 more per year so that seniors can live with the dignity and financial security that they deserve. The Ford Conservatives ended rent control, which helped keep prices down for renters. We're going to bring that back and reinstate rent control everywhere across Ontario. And to help make life more affordable, we're also going to go after giant grocery stores who are driving up the cost of food. And to lower the cost of food right away, we're going to remove the provincial HST on prepared foods under $20, like meals at restaurants or takeout counters. We're also going to make transit dramatically cheaper by reducing it to $1 a ride all across the province. The Ontario Liberals have a comprehensive, solutions-focused plan to make life better for seniors. Our senior citizens need real, meaningful support immediately. On day one, an elected Liberal government will get to work improving the lives of every senior citizen in Ontario. We can't afford to wait any longer. We need to put people over profits and get back to supporting our seniors as they rightfully deserve. Thank you so much.